let us discuss how to convert grams to grams in stoichiometry. This can be done in two simple steps. I am going to give simple trick how to convert it. First, we have to convert grams to moles of a given substance. Then we have to convert again moles to grams of required substance. So what are the formula for this second step? In order to convert grams to moles, you just take weight of the substance, that means given weight in grams, should be multiplied with moles. It's nothing but stoichiometric coefficient of that particular substance divided by its weight. This weight is nothing but gram molecular weight. So then grams will get cancelled. You are going to get moles. How can we convert these moles? You will get here, let's say x moles. So in the second step, this is the first step. Okay. In the second step, you take this x moles of given substance should be multiplied with required substance grams. Whose substance grams you want to convert? Take its weight, means its gram molecular weight in grams divided by moles. It's nothing but stoichiometric coefficient that you will see in balanced equation, that you are going to get again. Moles is nothing but stoichiometric coefficient. So moles will get cancelled and you are going to get y grams. This is your answer. So y is your answer. Now let me explain with one example. So example, how many grams of sodium can be produced from 6.78 grams of sodium chloride. This is the question. So what they are asking in the question? They are asking you to find grams of sodium. They are asking you to find grams of sodium. What they have given in the problem? They have given grams of sodium chloride. So before completing or doing this problem, what you have to do? You have to write a balanced chemical equation of the given substances. What is the reactant here? Reactant is sodium chloride. And what it is producing? It is producing sodium and chlorine gas. Sodium and chlorine. You have to balance this equation. 2 moles of this, 2 moles of sodium. This is solid. This is equation. This is the balanced equation that is given in the problem. Now let us solve this one. What they have given here? They have given that this is 6.78 grams. First step, you have to convert these grams to moles. You have to convert grams to moles. This is the first step. Second step is you have to convert these moles into grams of sodium. This is the second step. You have to convert these moles into grams. So that will be your answer. Now let us start. First step. What is the first step here? As I said, first step, take the weight, given weight. What is the given weight? 6.78 grams should be multiplied with, so, moles of sodium chloride, because we are taking this one. So you want to convert sodium chloride grams into moles. So how many moles? Stoichiometric coefficient is 2. 2 moles divided by its gram molecular weight. Sodium chloride gram molecular weight is, how can I calculate sodium chloride gram molecular weight? Sodium is 23 and chlorine is, only one chlorine we have, so that is 35.5. Total, that is equal to 58.5 grams. So this is its molecular weight. You divide that with 58.5 grams. So if you do the calculation, grams will get cancelled and you are going to get the answer in moles. This is the x value, 0.23 moles. So what is this 0.23 moles? 0.23 moles of, we converted grams into moles, sodium chloride. 0.23 moles is reacting. Now in the second step, what you have to do? Use the moles of sodium chloride and find grams of sodium. So 0.23 moles of sodium chloride is reacting with So what is the formula for this? Whose molecular weight, grams you want to find? Sodium. So take its weight. So each sodium is having molecular weight of 23 grams. And what is its stoichiometric coefficients? 2. Stoichiometric coefficient or number of moles, 2 moles. So what happens now? Moles will get cancelled, and if you do simplification, you are going to get 2.65 grams. The answer is 2.65 grams. So in this way, by using these two simple steps, you can convert grams of any substance to grams. First, if they gave in grams, you have to convert into moles. Then use these moles, you can find grams of sodium, as well as you can find grams of chlorine also. Any number of substances can be converted in this way. Hope you understood this topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.